So I'm actually just about to go into my sugaring appointment. It's my first ever sugaring appointment, and this place I found is really cool because they're organic and they're like super clean and stuff. I'm doing just a bikini, and then if I like that and I feel comfortable, then for summer I'm gonna do like Brazilian stuff. I'm really excited, and yeah, maybe I'll record myself. I don't know.
Okay, so I did it. It was amazing. It, stung a little bit, but it lasted like 10 minutes, and she did more than I thought, and it looks beautiful down there. It stung a little, of course. I don't know. It was great. I'm going back there. I loved it. Loved her. Loved it. Bye. Except, she told me that, like, I can't, like, move a lot. Like, I can't work out or anything, and I have to keep it really clean. I'm an active girly. I don't know what I'm gonna do, like... My little homemade pizza made with gluten-free crust from Simple Mills. I want her wardrobe so bad, it's insane. Her bedroom goes so hard. Like, I don't know if there's a clip in here, but look at her bed. Oh my god, her bed. Her mirror was so cute. Like, I'm obsessed. Her wallpaper. Girl. Like, her rug. Her outfit. The outfits. The chokers. The ribbons. The bows. Like, oops, excuse me, but look at this. Okay. So I literally got the best room in the Airbnb. I literally got to see the sunrise every single day. It was so beautiful. Driving to La Fortuna was definitely a challenge. Our car was not made for all of the hills and mountains. At some point our brakes started to overheat, so we had to stop the car. Waterfalls in Costa Rica, and walking up and down the stairs was so brutal. They said that it's like 500 steps. Doesn't feel like it. It feels like way more, but it's really pretty here. It feels like the rainforest. It's really nice. Lots of different types of vegetation and flowers. This Airbnb had the nicest view of the volcano, and on this day we went to a cacao farm where they showed us how they made chocolate and coffee, and included was a nice waterfall which we got to go swimming in. It was so beautiful and so private. The Starbucks in Costa Rica had stuff I've never seen before, like red velvet cake. Yeah. Bye.